Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on Messenger app, we click on settings. In the first you can go to apps and you will enter to Messenger app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store, you can search about Messenger. If you will find the update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.